Welcome back everybody. Today I am going to teach you how to create a code space in GitHub for your repository. This is a great way to set up a complete development environment directly in your browser without needing to install everything on your computer. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your GitHub homepage. Look at the left panel where you'll find your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to create a code space. Once you're inside the repository, look toward the top right area of the page and click the green code button. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on the Codespaces tab. Here, you'll see any existing code spaces associated with the repository. If you haven't created one yet, you'll have the option to create a new one. Click Create Code Space on Main or the option available for your selected branch. GitHub will now begin setting up your code space and preparing the development environment for your repository. This process may take a moment while GitHub configures the necessary tools and files. Once it's finished, your code space will open directly in your browser with a full development environment. You'll have access to the code editor, terminal, file explorer, and other tools you need to work on your project. You can now edit files, run commands, and manage your code without setting up the project locally. And that's it. You've successfully created a code space in GitHub for your repository. Thanks for watching.